development. The saucer has everything: laser weapons, cloaking devices, and plasma force field shields. It's as if the aliens watched our old sci-fi films and TV shows before they built this ship. If that's what they did, if they took some of their best gadgetry from our human imaginations, there just might be the greatest spaceship option imaginable: a teletransporter. This alien spaceship under examination has lots of weaponry and gadgetry well beyond our current capability, but not beyond our dreams. Many of the options we found on this new model spaceship are ones that humans have already imagined in science and in science fiction.
And I thought it'd be a great way to describe the laws of physics.
It should come as no surprise that the alien ship has a transporter that can reduce an object, including a living creature, into a matter stream, then send it to another location for reassembly. This is truly the Rolls-Royce of alien technology, and one of the most challenging for its engineers.
You'd have to take a human being, and you'd have to kind of disassemble that human being and write down the position of every single atom in the body. And then you'd take that information on where all the atoms in the body were, and you'd send that information to another place, and then some little assembler on the other side would just put all of the atoms together. And when you're done, what have you got? You've got the person you just disassembled.
But what if things go wrong?
That would be kind of scary to get in a transporter and know that, well, the first thing that happens is they're going to rip you apart into atoms. Would you still be the same person once you put yourself together from raw materials? It'd be pretty tricky to do with technology, because it would take, I think, about 1 billion quadrillion bits to write down the position of all the atoms in the body, and how would you reassemble them?
If we stored it all on computer disks, they'd stack from here to 1/3 of the distance to the center of the Milky Way. The aliens have installed a super-compact supercomputer that can handle all that data.
You'd need some sort of nanotechnology that could put all the atoms in the right place and get everybody started up again. Still, I'm ready.
There's an additional benefit to the transporter the sci-fi writers never explored, but that our alien engineers must be aware of. If you can reduce something to a pile of atoms and reassemble them elsewhere, then you must be able to take any pile of atoms and assemble them in the same way. In other words, the teletransporter can also be a copy machine, a cloning device. As long as you have the information how to reassemble the atoms.
So the way
Mr. Hammond. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves recovery of a stolen item designated Chimera. You may select any 2 team members, but it is essential that the 3rd team member be Naya Nordorf Hall. She is a civilian and a highly capable professional thief. You have 48 hours to recruit Miss Nordorf Hall and meet me in Seville to receive your assignment. And Mr. Hunt, the next time you go on holiday, please be good enough to let us know where you're going.
This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
I'll let you know where I'm going.